Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, listeners. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to be here again.
Today's topic is really fun. We're going to talk about likes and dislikes in simple English.
Yes, we all like some things and dislike others, right? It's part of what makes us interesting people.
Exactly. And today, we'll learn how to talk about them clearly, how to say what you like, what you don't like, and even what you love or hate.
Let's start with the basics. The most common way to say you like something is, I like something. For example, I like coffee.
Right. And you can also say, I love, if you really enjoy something. Like, I love traveling.
I love that one too. Traveling is the best.
What about dislikes? How do we talk about those?
Easy. You just say, I don't like. For example, I don't like getting up early.
Oh, same here. I don't like waking up early either. I'm definitely a night person.
You can also say, I hate when you really, really dislike something. Like, I hate doing laundry.
Yeah, laundry is not fun at all. I hate washing dishes more, though.
Oh, really? I don't mind dishes, but I hate cleaning the bathroom.
Fair enough. Okay, let's give some more examples. I like pizza. I love burgers. I don't like spicy food. I hate cold soup.
Nice. Let me try. I like reading books. I love watching movies. I don't like traffic. I hate mosquitoes.
Yeah, nobody likes mosquitoes. They're the worst.
You can also use I'm into to sound more natural. It means you enjoy something. For example, I'm into photography.
That's a good one. I'm into playing guitar. It sounds more casual than I like.
Exactly. And if you don't like something much, you can say, I'm not really into. For example, I'm not really into sports.
That's great. I'm not really into shopping. I prefer staying home and reading.
That's true. You're a calm person. I'm the opposite.
That's what makes us a good team. Balance.
Totally. Now, let's teach a few useful questions. How can we ask someone about their likes?
You can ask, what do you like to do? Or what are you into?
Yes. And for dislikes, what don't you like? Or is that anything you hate doing?
Great examples. Let's practice a short role play. Ready, Anna?
Ready. Let's pretend we're meeting for the first time.
Okay. Hi, I'm Daniel. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, Daniel. I like reading and going for walks. What about you?
I love playing guitar and cooking sometimes.
Oh, cooking. That's cool. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta and grilled chicken. They're simple, but tasty.
Nice. I don't like cooking much, but I love eating.
Same here. Eating is definitely easier than cooking.
Okay, now let's talk about strong feelings. Sometimes you want to say you like something a lot. You can say, I really like, or I absolutely love.
Good point. For example, I really like coffee. I absolutely love chocolate cake.
I really like sunny weather. I absolutely love summer vacations.
And for dislikes, you can say, I really don't like, or I absolutely hate.
For example, I really don't like waiting in long lines. I absolutely hate being late.
Oh yeah, being late makes me nervous too. I really don't like traffic jams.
Me neither. They ruin my day.
Let's add one more natural phrase. It's not my thing. That's a polite way to say you don't like something.
Yes. For example, some people love camping, but I can say, camping is not my thing.
That's right. It sounds softer than saying I hate camping.
Okay, Daniel, let's make this fun. I'll say something and you tell me if you like it or not.
Okay, sounds fun. Go ahead.
Ice cream.
Love it.
Rainy days.
I don't like them much. What about you?
I actually love rainy days. They feel cozy.
Okay, next one. Spicy food.
I like it a little, but not too spicy.
Me too. And cats?
I love cats. I have 2 at home.
Really? I didn't know that. I like cats, but I'm more of a dog person.
That's fine. Dogs are great too.
See? That's how you can practice talking about likes and dislikes in real life.
Exactly. You just need simple sentences. Let's review some. I like, I love, I don't like, I hate, I'm into, I'm not into, it's not my thing.
Perfect summary. And remember to add examples like, I love music or I don't like cold weather.
Yes, examples make your English sound more natural and personal.
And let me ask, what do you really love doing in your free time?
I absolutely love going to the beach. It makes me feel relaxed. What about you?
I love hiking in the mountains. The fresh air feels amazing.
Nice. So you like nature.
Yeah, I do. I like peaceful places.
I like them too, but I also love the city. The lights, the food, the people.
You like energy. I like calm, balance again.
Exactly. So everyone listening, what about you? What do you like and dislike?
Tell us in the comments. Use the phrases from today's episode.
For example, I like reading, I don't like rain, or I'm into music.
And if you want to sound natural, try mixing them. Say, I love traveling, but I hate packing.
That's a perfect example.
So true.
Okay, before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Sure. To talk about things you enjoy, say, I like, I love, I'm into, I really like, I absolutely love.
And for things you don't enjoy, say, I don't like, I hate, I'm not into, it's not my thing, I really don't like.
Excellent! That's your easy guide to talking about likes and dislikes.
Now it's your turn. Practice with a friend or record yourself.
And share your answers in the comments below. We'd love to read them.
If you enjoyed this episode, click like and subscribe to our channel for more Easy English podcasts.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye!
Bye.